There is a wide variety of financial goods available with SoFi, including banking and investing. The process of withdrawing money can include a waiting period, which can lead to some misunderstanding. On the other hand, putting funds is typically instantaneous. This video provides clear instructions on how to navigate the process of withdrawing funds from SoFi and investigates the reasons behind the timetables that SoFi adheres to. Hold on new deposits. A crucial factor to remember is the 5-business-day hold placed on all new deposits made to your SoFi Invest account. This means the funds aren't immediately available for withdrawal. They become accessible for various transactions, including withdrawals, on the 6th business day after the deposit is posted. Market holidays don't count towards these 5 business days. Settlement times. Another key concept is settlement time. When you sell an investment like a stock or ETF, exchange-traded fund, on SoFi Invest, the proceeds from the sale don't become immediately available. There's a 2-business-day settlement period. This means even after selling an investment, you'll need to wait 2 additional business days before you can withdraw the money. Mutual funds have slightly faster settlement times, typically 1 to 2 business days. Alternative investments, however, might have longer settlement periods depending on their specific structures. Understanding the logic. These holding and settlement periods exist for several reasons. In the case of new deposits, SoFi needs time to verify the funds and ensure they're legitimately yours. This helps prevent fraudulent activities. Settlement times are determined by the stock exchanges and clearinghouses that facilitate securities transactions. These entities require time to ensure the smooth transfer of ownership and payment between buyers and sellers. Planning for withdrawals. If you anticipate needing quick access to funds, consider keeping them in your SoFi Money account, which functions similarly to a traditional checking account. Funds deposited into SoFi Money are typically available for immediate withdrawal via debit card or ACH transfer. Here's a quick recap. New deposits. 5 business day hold before funds are available for withdrawal. Selling investments, stocks and ETFs. 2 business day settlement after the sale before withdrawal. Mutual funds. 1 to 2 business day settlement after the sale before withdrawal. Alternative investments. Variable settlement time depending on the specific investment. Troubleshooting withdrawal issues. If you've waited the appropriate holding and settlement periods but still encounter issues withdrawing your funds, there could be other factors at play. Here are some steps to take. Double-check your account. Ensure you're initiating the withdrawal from the correct SoFi account, e.g., SoFi Invest versus SoFi Money. Review transaction history. Look for any failed transactions or pending activity that might be holding up your withdrawal. Contact SoFi support. Their support team can investigate any specific issues related to your account and withdrawal request. Final thoughts. Understanding SoFi's deposit hold and settlement periods is crucial for managing your finances effectively. By planning your withdrawals in advance and considering the type of SoFi account you're using, you can avoid unnecessary delays and ensure smooth access to your funds. Additional tips. When initiating a withdrawal, be mindful of the transfer method you choose. ACH transfers might take an additional 1 to 3 business days to reach your linked bank account. SoFi offers a mobile app that allows you to easily monitor your account activity and initiate withdrawals on the go. By following these guidelines, you can navigate SoFi's withdrawal process seamlessly and make informed decisions about your financial needs.